Hey guys, Revant here. Welcome back to my channel, Bot Geek, and Happy New Year to everyone, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to customize your desktop screen. So once you boot up your laptop and give your password and all those stuff, you will be able to see your desktop screen, and you feel like it is really boring. It is really cluttery, and it's not even that useful. Except you could just open apps and stuff. So you want to make it a bit more useful, vibrant, and more cleaner and all those stuff. So if you want to do that, you should download an app called Rainmeter. So Rainmeter is an app to customize your desktop screen. So Rainmeter is totally free. It's an open source app. So before we do that, we got to do some basic stuff. So number one, just clear these apps. So to do that, right click anywhere, anywhere on the desktop, anywhere on the empty space in the desktop, and go to view, and then uncheck the show desktop icons, and you see now it's way more clear. It's more wider, more spacious, and all those stuff. So now you could just middle out the taskbar apps. So I have I have it on to the sides, but you could keep it anywhere. I like to middle it out. So to do that, you should just go to toolbars, right click on the taskbar and go to toolbars, and then click on links, and then again right click, and then uncheck the lock taskbar, and then you drag this links up till here, and you see you have it, and it is middled out. And now you could just remove this links icon or logo by right clicking on it, show text, uncheck the show text, and uncheck the show title, and then you could just lock the taskbar. Okay, now you have a basic, the basics are done. Now you'll have to download Rainmeter. So to download Rainmeter, just go to rainmeter.net. So once you do that, you will see this, and then download the final version. So don't download the beta, it will have some more updates, but it will still have some bugs and all those stuff. So just download the final version. Okay, so when you're downloading, you'll see this box here. So after it's done, you just click on it. So this is just the setup. So once you click on it, it'll start installing. Rainmeter will start installing. So you will have to agree to some stuff. So while you're agreeing, there'll be a small checkbox called open Rainmeter in startup or something like that. Just tick that checkbox. If you don't do that, it will not open in the startup, and you'll again have to go to your start menu and then open and do all those stuff. So if you want it to work, like just after you boot up your PC, you should just tick that checkbox. So go slowly and check that checkbox and just tick it. Okay, so I already have it downloaded. So after you download it, you could come down and go to discover. Okay, so once you go to discover, you'll be able to see this DeviantArt, Reddit, Rainmeter forums, and all those stuff. So what are these? So in these websites, you could download skins for customizing your desktop screen. So you need skins to customize your desktop screen. So skins are basically gadgets that you could put onto your desktop. Okay, so if you want to download skins, you could go click on DeviantArt, but I usually don't click here, as you could just go to the normal website. He has, like, you can just type DeviantArt. This website is way more easier to use, as that one is different, a bit different as it is in Rainmeter. So just type Rainmeter Mass Effect. So Mass Effect is the skin type of skin we'll be using to customize our desktop screen. So Rainmeter Mass Effect. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be able to see this. So we'll be using the blue color Mass Effect. You could even use the green, or you could even use this orange. This is Mass Effect 2. but we'll be using Mass Effect, only Mass Effect. So you can just download this. So once you just click on the download, it will be downloaded. So now before we use Rainmeter, we gotta change our desktop background. So I have a background saved for you guys. So it is called the Simple Subtle um, Abstract Dark Minimalism 4KU9. So you could just type it down. You just use this for the customization. You could use any other background, but I thought this would be really good. So to set this up, you could go to settings and set it, but an easier way is just right clicking and then set as desktop background. Okay, now you have it, right? So now we'll talk about Rainmeter. So just click on this arrow and you'll be able to see Rainmeter, or you can just go to your start menu and type Rainmeter. Okay, so this is how Rainmeter looks like. So you will have Illustro or Illustro, you could call it anything. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but yeah, so don't mind for that. Okay, so you will have Illustro by default in Rainmeter, and you will also have Mass Effect. So Mass Effect is the one we downloaded. So because we downloaded, we'll have Mass Effect. But you could also download other skins like Hexy, Phoenix, and all those stuff. But I think Mass Effect will be good for this customization. So now we will put a clock. So to put the clock, we should just click on this arrow beside the clock, and then click on the clock.ini. Okay, and then you load. So if you load it, the skin will be seen. So you could change the position of it to anything, like somewhat like this, or like you could even change it from Rainmeter, bottom, topmost, normal, on desktop, and all those stuff. So just keep it in normal. So you could keep this either up or down. So I like to keep it down. So usually this will actually be a bit more bigger. So if you want to edit this thing, if you want to edit the font, so when you download this skin, or when you just load the skin, by default the font will be a bit weird to read, and it's a bit too big. So you want to change that, just go to edit, and then this notepad thing will be opened, and Control F, and then go to font, and you could see that there will be some font thing. So yeah, so font face slider, font size 17. So usually I think it's in 30. So just refresh this skin, it will be 30. See, it will be something like this. It's a bit too big. So I think 17 will be good. So Control F, font, and then scroll down a bit, and you'll see font size. And then just give any size you like. If you like 7, like if you like 30, good. But I like 17. Okay. So just Control S. Just do Control S, and then refresh skin. You could just click here. Okay. Now we'll be seeing one more thing. Now just again open Rainmeter. Okay, and now go to Mass Effect and go to launcher. So launcher, then load. So now you see. So how do we use this? So documents, the folder. If you just click on this documents, the folder will be open. Or control panel. So control panel, you could use it by going to your start menu and type control panel. Okay, it was in caps lock. Okay, so you will have to type it in your start menu, click enter and all those stuff. But if you put this launcher, you could just click on control panel, and you see this, right? So that is how this launcher is used. So now we will talk about Illustro. So I kept a Google search box. So Google it will be like this. So you could place this anywhere. You could even place the launcher anywhere, but I like to keep it in the middle because it looks clean. And you could also keep your Google search box anywhere else. I like to keep it on the side. So once you click on this, you could ask any question. How to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so click enter and you'll see any browser window opening. So probably your default browser will open. So yeah, you can just type from that will be really handy sometimes. Okay, so now let's talk about another thing in Illustro, another skill, that is system. So if you want to check your CPU's performance, like basically your system's performance, you could just use this. You could also place this anywhere else, but I like to keep it here. So yeah, that is how you use CPU system. Okay, so you could add anything else if you want, like any other skin from Illustro. You could just download new forums, or like new suits. Okay, you could download new stuff. Like I downloaded Mass Effect for this customization. You could download anything else. So I've used DeviantArt to download this. You could use any other website to download Rainmeter skins. Okay, so this set of skins are called Illustro, and these set of skins are called Mass Effect. So you could download any other set of skins from DeviantArt or Rainmeter forums. Okay, so yeah, you could add anything else as I told. So in Mass Effect there is this notepad plus RSS, and then you could just load it. So yeah. Okay, I by mistake put the CPU. Sorry guys, I've just put the CPU here. But you could also put Notepad plus RSS. So that's a bit too big to fit in my desktop screen. Like it comes up till here, and I think that is a bit too big. So I just didn't keep it. So a notepad plus RSS, what does it do is, Notepad you could just take notes directly from the desktop screen instead of opening your Notepad. And for RSS, if you keep a website name in RSS, it will show the latest news from that website that you have kept in RSS. So yeah, so this is the desktop, guys, that I have customized for myself, and hope you guys like this video. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.